How much do you know about Mars? For most of us, we know it's called the red planet, and it's the fourth planet from the sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury.
But have you ever wondered about Mars's topography? What does it feel like to walk on its surface? Well, an ASU graduate student created a map to give people that chance. Take a look.
This is NASA's Odyssey spacecraft. It has been orbiting Mars for almost 18 years. During that time, it's made over 73,000 orbits and taken over 230,000 infrared images of the Martian surface. These images help scientists better understand the topography of the red planet. The pictures may one day serve as a map for the first humans on Mars. Human travel to Mars won't be possible for at least another couple of years, but some of the first steps on the Martian surface may have already been taking place in a high school gymnasium.
So the big idea of Walk on Mars is to give people a physical experience of the Martian surface so that it's not just an imaginary place to them, but a real physical place that they feel like they can visit.
These are thermal images of the Martian surface from Odyssey's THEMIS, or Thermal Emission Imaging System. Jonathon Hill and his team use these images to create these maps. But Hill's maps are not like the ones you would find on a classroom wall. His can fill a gymnasium. This one is over 47 feet wide and 95 feet long, just about the size of a basketball court. And that's small in comparison to what they hope to do next.
The map was created using over 24,000 images taken by ASU's THEMIS camera, which were then digitally stitched together into a single image. And so it's very similar to a rectangular map you would see of the Earth. So we help people come away from the map knowing some basics about Mars. Most people know nothing about Mars other than it's red and there's a couple rovers on it. So we want to teach them some of the place names, teach them all the big features that the rovers have explored, and let them know where we might be sending missions next. You see it connect with a lot of kids. You know, they come in, they're just having fun at school, and they walk on the map and you can just see in their eyes that just opening up that this is an entirely different place that they can go to and explore. So I think that's very possible that the people walking on the map now might be walking on Mars for real in the future.
To create the map, ASU graduate student Jonathon Hill has received a $10,000 grant from the American Geophysical Union. The map was displayed in front of the Smithsonian Institution's National Air and Space Museum in Washington.